welcome and thank you for coming. It's a privilege and it's an amazing experience. What I absolutely love about running these workshops here is just the way people engage. Very often, your question might be a question someone else has, but they didn't realize they had that question. And then when you ask that question, you're helping somebody else to learn something. I think the object really is to try and get someone to stop for a moment and look at your photograph, because we live in a world of Instagram, of next, 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 next. And it's not easy now to make someone go next, next. Oh, hang on a minute. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I like that. Never worry about what other people think. Always go with what you think, what's in your heart and what you find interesting. This is an understanding of humanity through photographs from the very best in the world. So, you know, running workshops at Xposure is just one of the most incredible experiences. The guy filming me found some of my YouTube videos a while ago and learnt some photography over the last couple of years. And now he's filming me as the teacher. It's like meeting someone that I taught. If you can give a little bit back in the world, it just makes an enormous difference.